first method, click to start, then click on setting, then network and internet, then Ethernet, and then select the private network and then close it. Then again click to start second method, control panel, this one first, click on it, view by select the category, and then click on network and internet, then network and sharing center, and then click to chain advanced sharing center. After that click and on, click to private network, and on this select all network, and off these protections, password protections. So if you take the password protection, so this is off and not need to off and required on, and this is also on. Then close it and then close it. Then next click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator, service, and first press F, function discovery provider host. So you can this functions discovery, just double click, select automatic, stop, and then again start and apply, and okay. Then next function discovery resources publications, this one, double click to open, select, and select the manual, and then if it is already working, so stop and again start. If it is stop, just start it only, and then apply, and then okay. Then next SSDP, press S, SSDP discovery, open it, select automatic, and then apply, and then okay. Then next UPnP, press U, UPnP device host, double click, and then select the automatic, and then click to start. After that click apply, and then okay, and then close it. Then next method, click to start, type run, and enter the registry REGEDIT, and then click to OK. And this is required the administrator rights, for click on yes. So this is, after that extract the local machine, then system, then current control set, this one, and then service, this is service, then LAN man workstation, come to L series, LAN man workstations, extract this. After that parameter, this one, then just right click and click on new, then DWORD 32-bit, click on this, and then enter the name, caps A, all, allow, I N S E C U RE guest. So enter add is it is allows in source guest authentic, and just double click and then enter the value number 1 and then OK and then close it. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.